Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I'm going to show you how to solve quadratic equation using quadratic equation formula. Solve x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 using quadratic formula. In my previous video, I have solved this same problem. Now we are going to use formula. Quadratic formula is x squared. Quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And we compare a s squared plus bs plus c equal to 0, which is form of quadratic equation, and the equation given to us, which is s squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, where a is equals to invisible 1 here, which is 1, b equals to 5, and c is equal to 6. So what we are going to do, we are going to substitute this value into the formula. That is to say, x is equal to b is 5, which is minus 5, plus or minus square root of 5 squared minus 4, a is 1, and c is 6, all over 2a, a is 1. When we continue, we have x equal to minus 5 plus or minus square of 5 is 25 minus 4 times 1 times 6 gives us 24, all over 2 times 1 gives us 2. S is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 24 gives us 1, all over 2. S equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 1 is 1, all over 2. S is equal to minus 5 plus 1 all over 2, or minus 5 minus 1 all over 2. And when we do that, minus 5 plus 1 will give us minus 4 all over 2, or minus 5 minus 1 will give us minus 6 all over 2. 2 we cancel 4, left with minus 2, or 2 we cancel minus 6 gives us minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 or comma minus 3 as the answer. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.